moved into a new home last July. It's almost been a year, and we still don't have one picture hanging on the wall. I really don't like hanging them. It causes me stress. So whenever these picture hanging tools come across our desk, I can't help but take a look. Actually, the one we're about to tell you about was actually sent to me by a friend who knows me so well, she knew I would bite. This weekend's new to Lou 2 is the Stalishare Hang and Level Picture Hanging Tool. It's a simple tool that marks your wall exactly where the nail goes in. It's a yellow piece of plastic about a foot long and about 4 inches wide. On the tool is 3 hooks and 2 little levels for vertical and horizontal hanging. First, hang your art or your frame from one of the hooks, and then find the perfect spot on your wall for it. Once you've found it, keep the Stalishare hanging tool in place against the wall, remove your frame, and then press that hook from which you were hanging it into the wall. It's going to leave a mark on the opposite side so you know exactly where to hammer your nail in. Next, you're gonna hammer that nail in, hang the frame, and then use the tool to level it off. That's it! Its single and double hook systems work with most picture hanging hardware, including picture wire, hooks, D-rings, keyholes, clocks, and mirrors. The Stalishare picture hanging tool's maximum weight is 10 pounds on a single hook and 20 pounds on double hooks, and retails for about $15.
For more information, check out the House Smarts YouTube channel.
And be sure to like and subscribe.